Well, after a very active and stormy Tuesday, things today are looking much more quieter, which is certainly good news. Some of you saw quite a bit of rainfall over the last 24 hours with that moisture associated with Beryl. Notice here in Bowling Green, we're getting close to 2 inches of precipitation for the month, and it's only the 10th of July. We are running a surplus now, which is good news because we are about to enter quite the stretch of some dry weather. Now, we could see a leftover sprinkle today, especially along and east of Interstate 165. Most of us should be dry, and we look to remain dry as we go through the rest of the work week and into the weekend and beyond. You'll see that here with the 7-day in just a second. You want to hop on the bike today and go for a ride? Should be an okay day for it, especially the further west you go in the tri-state. It will be breezy early on, but those winds should subside, especially after the lunch hour and through the afternoon, and that's when we'll start to see the return of some peaks of sunshine. Notice here with Futurecast, those pretty gusty winds continuing, but the clouds by lunch hour are off to the east, and we're looking at a pretty nice afternoon overall, which is certainly good news. Temperatures kind of being held in check because of the cloud cover early on and those stiff northwesterly winds. That'll keep things below average, but notice here by tomorrow morning, not too bad. Temperatures upper 60s and lower 70s. Here's a look at those winds, especially along and east of Interstate 165. You get back toward Kentucky Lake, those winds really not that big of a deal, but sustained here, 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts 25 to 30 miles an hour. But once high pressure starts to build in tonight, it should quickly start to turn off those winds, and we're looking at pretty much light and variable winds by the time many of you wake up for your Thursday morning. So overall today, slow clearing from west to east, temperatures lower 80s. Notice that stiff northwesterly wind with those embedded higher gusts, especially those gusty winds east of Kentucky Lake, as we'll be about 5 degrees below normal for our temperatures today. Lows tonight, not too bad, mid 60s. Overall, mostly clear night, maybe a very slight chance of a little bit of patchy fog by tomorrow morning, but for the most part, we should be nice and quiet. And then it just gets hot yet again. Above average temperatures return by Friday, and you see there, our rain chances don't return until Tuesday.